everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to make a tomato pie. We've done it before. This is a little different, and you can't make too many. It's my theory. You know, I do peel my tomatoes, and I don't mean ever. I drop them down in hot water, and the skin just rolls off of it. See? Just simply rolls off of them. I actually saw a lady this week who was peeling her own tomatoes. There was just something I could say. Tomatoes got a lot, especially these this year. My tomatoes, they're just not doing much. But I'm not complaining. I still have tomatoes, so. But they're little, they're big, they're long, they're rotten. So I still have tomatoes. I'm thankful. Because I would eat, you know, after you cook them, they all look the same, I think. I'm putting a lot of salt on them because I'm trying to get the some of the liquid out before we put it in the pie. Okay, see, this comes right up. I got to go down the bottom too. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the filling. I've got a cup of Colby cheese here. And in this bowl I have a cup of parsley and some green onions, little green onions. Just to give it flavor. I love green onions. And let's put us a little bit of mozzarella in it. You put the cheese you like, because the pie will engulf any cheese you like, no problem. And this is about, I think it's supposed to be 6 sticks of bacon, real fresh, and and 1 egg. And 1 egg, and now a cup of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise of your choice. I think that's good. And just mix it up. See how, look how wet those tomatoes are. Here's my pie shell. I'm just using a deep dish from the store since one of my children have my real pie plate, so I'm okay with it. Just put a little bit of cheese on the bottom. It just sort of keeps it a little bit drier. It's just a mixed cheese. That's enough. Okay. Put a little bit more in there. We're okay with our tomatoes. I've got 2 more here if I have to have them. Okay, that works. Now, I put my shell in the oven for 8 minutes. You need to cook it a little bit, and I just put it on 350 for 8 minutes and just took it out and I let it cool. It's been cooling for a while. So, let's just start our tomatoes. Just want to make circles. This is mostly the size of my tomatoes this year, but they're good. Not complaining. Well, maybe I am, but not really. Like I said, when cooking, they all look the same. Oh, but this is so good. I guess of all the pies I make, this is absolutely, without a doubt, my favorite. It's number 10 out of 1 to 10. And most people that, when they do it, they agree. Okay, layer 2. I don't know how many tomatoes I've used because they're different sizes. I'd say 8, but then if you have pretty ones, then maybe you just take 4. Okay. 1 more. Aren't so much good stuff in it. And it looks like I'm going to have a little one more, maybe. Yeah. This one's got those little white places in it. I don't know what it causes. I just cut them out because they're hard. Okay, I got that. Let's finish it up. Okay, almost all the way over. It'll all melt in. Let's see about this one. Just put a couple on top, just to make it look pretty. Okay, now I've got my oven on 350. It usually takes about 30 minutes, believe it or not. So, we'll be right back. I'm sorry, but I had to have a piece of this pie. I've waited long enough. I let it cool down a little bit before I cut a piece. I'm telling you, it's worth every minute you spend on it. Take care of yourself. Go make your pie. See you soon.